Hello everyone, welcome back to Day One Dev channel. Today we're going to talk about container orchestration, which is a platform designed to automate and manage the deployment, scaling, and operations of a containerized applications across the clusters of a host. There are a few key features of a container orchestration platform. The orchestration platform automates the deployment of containerized applications, ensuring a consistent and reliable deployment across multiple nodes or hosts. They also facilitate horizontal scaling by a dynamic adjusting the number of our running containers based on demand. So load balancing ensures even a distributed traffic across the containers for optimal performance. Orchestration tools monitors health of a containers and in nodes. They automatically restart failed containers, replace unhealthy ones, and maintain desired state of the application. So enhancing fault tolerance. So orchestration platforms provide service discovery mechanism that enable containers to discover and communicate with each other within the cluster. They might manage networking configurations to ensure connectivity among services. They optimize the resources utilizing by managing a CPU, memory, and other resources allocated to containers. They also include resource allocation, isolation, and the limits to prevent one service from monopolizing resources. Orchestration tools support seamless updates of applications by rolling out new versions while maintaining availability. They also allow an easy rollback to previous versions in case of issues. Platform manage configurations and environment variables across containers, ensuring a consistency and easy modification without redeploying the entire application. They also offers monitoring and logging capabilities to track the performance, health, and behavioral of containers and services running in the cluster. So there are popular container orchestration platforms. Includes one of my favorite one is Kubernetes, which is an open source platform for automating deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. And there is also another product, similar product is available, which is an enterprise version of Docker Swarm. That is another product, which is my favorite one too. But if you are looking for to align to be more open source world, definitely Kubernetes is a platform I prefer. Coming to Red Hat OpenShift, OpenShift is another platform, but underneath they use pretty much all open source products like Containerd, Kubernetes, HA proxy, and all. So as we discussed in our previous products where we called out Docker, container product related, which is where I called out Containerd, and similarly the load balancers. If you go back to one of my earlier videos, there I did call out as a HA proxy. So Red Hat is pretty much a group of open source platform they give you as a product for entire solution for an organization. If you're using vanilla Kubernetes, you have to manage your own configurations of high availability and injecting your Kubernetes platform with an load balancing such as HA proxy or application load balancers. Right? Similarly, the cloud platform like Amazon and all, they have beside a Kubernetes platform, they have their own custom proprietary product called ECS, which is Elastic Container Service. Like Azure and Google supports a Kubernetes platform. At least up to my knowledge, I'm not aware Azure or GCP has beside a Kubernetes, they have their own proprietary version. But I have seen customers who are on ECS, but unfortunately, I've seen them also, they are moving away from ECS to EKS platform because to be aligned with closer to open source community so that the ECS someday, if they have any vulnerability, AWS takes a longer time to build the vulnerability and releasing it to our customers. So container platforms like a Kubernetes, orchestration platforms like Kubernetes, they do have their customer support, which will be pretty good and faster way of releasing your security vulnerabilities. All right. I hope you learned something new on about container orchestration platform, and I hope you had a good time. And I'll come up with a new video. It might interest you for a newer stuff. All right. Talk to you later. Bye bye.